To run GitHub Actions manually, you can trigger workflows directly from the GitHub UI without waiting for automatic triggers like commits or pull requests. Here's how you can manually run a GitHub Actions workflow. Access GitHub repository. Navigate to your GitHub repository where your workflow is defined. Open the Actions tab. In the repository, click on the Actions tab in the navigation bar. Select the desired workflow. You will see a list of available workflows. Select the workflow you want to run manually. Run workflow. Click on the specific workflow and then click Run workflow. Configure workflow inputs. If the workflow has input parameters, you may need to configure them. For example, a workflow may prompt you to enter values like environment variables or custom inputs. Trigger workflow. After configuring any necessary inputs, click Run workflow. GitHub Actions will start executing the workflow manually. Monitor workflow. Once the workflow starts, you can monitor its progress in the Actions tab. Each step will display logs showing whether tasks such as builds, tests, or deployments are successful or if errors occur. Workflow completion. After completion, view the results in the workflow run logs. You will see the final status and any relevant output.